Here we are at Crystal Lake doing our 4th of July thing. People all across the lake shooting stuff off. Those things stink. Gave the kids some sparklers. Those guys over there, if you can see them, they put on a great show. They must spend thousands of dollars on fireworks each year. I think you're about to set off a mortar now. Got something over there going on. All over the place. Here we go. Told you. Monty's lighting it up. Whoa! See, everywhere. It's be an all-night thing. He's gonna stop another one, looks like. Uh-oh.
Screamer.
Oh, that was cool. And yes, this is called Crystal Lake. So Jason Voorhees might be down there looking at us. People all over the place get together. Setting up 3 or 4 at the same time. There's a fountain. Ooh, I was close to the ground. Remember last year you blew them up in my face? The things didn't have the right timer on them. That one shot out from its casing and it went over there into the water. Oh crap. Yeah! We got another mortar going off in a minute. The noise those mortars make are so cool, man. Boom! Bam! He's setting one off now. There's ours again. Oh crap! Oh crap! Run for cover. Another fountain over there. And it's getting too dark for the camera, so I'm gonna sign off.